Hello everyone, this is Danielle Ciari, aka Nurse, packing up, getting excited to come back to Odense, Denmark for WHINN from October the 9th through the 11th. I will be presenting on the 10th, applying social media to practice. So I'm checking my equipment, getting exciting, prepping my videos, and it's going to be a great adventure. People are coming from all over the world to present, to show what they've created, to continue conversations that we've had from last year and start new ones. There's been a lot of information on artificial intelligence, a lot on social care for the older population, and I'm just excited to come back and spend time and see old friends and make new ones. Thanks for watching.